Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable scene status on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice several tabs down there. Go ahead and tap on the one labeled More. This will take you to a menu where you can access various settings and features that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. Once you're in the More section, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your Viber account, including privacy controls, notifications, and account management features. The Settings menu gives you complete control over how Viber behaves and what information you share with others. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll through the options until you find Online Read is Typing Statuses and tap on it. This section controls your visibility and activity indicators on Viber. It's an important privacy feature because it lets you decide what information other users can see about your messaging behavior. When you access this menu, you're taking control of how much your contacts know about when you've read their messages or when you're actively typing a response. After tapping on Online Read is Typing Statuses, you'll see a section specifically named Read Receipts. This is the feature that controls whether others can see when you've opened and read their messages. Read receipts are those small indicators that let people know their message has been seen, and disabling them gives you more privacy and flexibility in when and how you respond to messages. Under the Read Receipts section, you'll see different options. Simply tap on Off to disable the scene status. By selecting this option, your contacts will no longer be able to see when you've read their messages. This gives you the freedom to read messages at your convenience without feeling pressured to respond immediately, since others won't know you've already seen what they sent. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the scene status on Viber, giving yourself more privacy and control over your messaging experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.